You now think that you are an individual, that there is the universe, and that God is beyond the cosmos. The personal God is the last of the unreal forms to go. Hence, not only the world, not only the ego, but also the personal God are of unreality. We must find the absolute, nothing less. In this quote, Ramana refers to a personal creator God, a God who created the universe and exists in relation to it. Ramana contrasts the personal creator God with the absolute. He says that even the personal creator God is another unreal, relative form that you must get beyond if you are to find the absolute. This is one way to understand what happens in the transition from what I call partial to full enlightenment. In partial enlightenment, you experience the relative form of God. But in full enlightenment, you experience the absolute God, the God who doesn't lie behind the world, but the God who is indistinct from the world, who is the reality of all things, and who alone is.